Feeling nature. Peace. Feeling nature is the deepest emotional level in which the subconscious mind receives impressions. Through willpower, self-discipline, belief that you deserve it, and high vibration, constantly loving, praying, visualize, verbalizing, deep feeling, nature impress upon the subconscious mind as if it's already done, for it to manifest and stay in your life. Feeling lets and get the blessing. Don't forget to visit finallylivingmylife.com for more manifesting tips. Let's get our blessing. Thanks.